Welcome to Good Food, recipes you and your guests will love. Today's recipe is cranberry orange muffins. Please see the full recipe in the description down below. All right, we're going to do all our dry ingredients. We'll add our baking powder, our salt, and our flour, and we'll mix that all together. And then we'll pour all our wet ingredients, our milk that has lemon juice in it, our oil, our sugar, our eggs, freshly squeezed orange juice, vanilla, and orange zest. Then we'll combine this all together. Then we'll pour our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients. And we're going to stir this until all the flour is incorporated. Then we're going to fold in our cranberries. You can use fresh cranberries or you can use frozen. If you use frozen, add a teaspoon of flour onto your cranberries. Then we're going to place this into our muffin tin. And we'll bake this in a preheated 425-degree oven for 5 minutes. And then we'll turn it down to 375 for an extra 18 minutes or so. Sprinkle the top with sugar and then place in your oven. If you would like to see a specific recipe, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.